Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Delight, and in today's tutorial I'll be taking you through the trial balance. Before I do so, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already a subscriber, and also hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. What is a trial balance? A trial balance is a list of credit and debit balances taken from all the ledger accounts on a particular date. The trial balance is used to check the arithmetical accuracy of the bookkeeping records, to locate errors, and to prepare financial statements. Where do we get the information that is recorded in a trial balance? We start with a transaction. When a transaction takes place, it is entered into a source document. It is then posted to the books of original entry, such as the purchaser's journal. From there, it is transferred into the ledger accounts. At the end of a trading period, the ledger accounts are balanced off. The remaining balance in the ledger accounts are then extracted, and this is how we get to the trial balance. Therefore, the trial balance is made from the closing balances of ledger accounts. Now here's what a trial balance looks like. We have a debit and a credit column, and then a list of the balances from the ledger accounts. Now you'd need to determine the nature of the balances of the list of accounts, that is, whether they are debit or credit balances. Here's an acronym that can help you do this. PEARLS. The first three letters, PEA, represent accounts that have debit balances. These are purchases, expenses, and assets. The last three letters, RLS, represent the accounts with credit balances, and these are revenues, liabilities, and sales. If you haven't watched my tutorial on PEARLS, please check out the link of the video in the description below. The PEARLS rule is going to help us to determine the balances of the accounts listed. Assets have a debit balance, liabilities have a credit balance, capital has a credit balance. Now, drawings are not part of the acronym, but you need to remember that they have a debit balance. Revenues have a credit balance, and expenses also have a credit balance. The balances in both columns are added up. The total in the debit column should be equal to that in the credit column. You need to note that when the debit and credit balances in a trial balance tally, this is not absolute proof that the trial balance is free from errors. It is only proof that the ledger accounts are arithmetically accurate. There are some errors that are not shown by the trial balance, and these are errors of commission, complete reversal, omission, original entry, principal, and compensating errors. We will look into these in my next tutorial. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or any topic you'd want me to do a tutorial on, please leave a comment section in the comment section below. I hope this tutorial was helpful.